Okay, go ahead. So there's our waterless solution. It's in a 3-gallon pod. That's rechargeable, and it sprays directly on the car. Josh is wiping off that first layer right now. Takes up all the dirt off that car with the microfiber. So you can see it's just a light mist of product. It also has a built-in wax, so as he takes the first layer of dirt off, he's going to use a different rack or flip it over usually, and he's going to now rub that wax right on in now that we've gotten all the dirt off. And it will buff to a nice shiny black. And that's our waterless solution. You can see there's none on the ground. There's nothing wet here. He's already done this side of the car, and there's hardly anything on the ground because he just does a light spray. Easy peasy, and it looks great.